Hi, my name is Sophia, and I would like to expand on the research paper When Personalization Meets Reality, a personalized preference learning. Right now, the research paper evaluates algorithms from the outside in, and what it doesn't fully do is evaluate the research frame to the diverse stakeholders and the people who actually use or people that are actually impacted by these systems. I feel like personalization, as far as personalizing the evaluation, can deepen the work in many ways. A personalized evaluation framework could tailor results in many ways depending on who's asking the questions instead of the one size fits all benchmarks. So, like, depending on who's asking the questions, as if like the developers, the policymakers, or the end users. Personalizing dataset design could help this paper move further along. It can help by collecting preference slices of like diverse users and actual user groups. Could help anchor the experiments in diverse realities. Also, instead of treating data sets as static, generate personalized synthetic users that mirror specific underrepresented demographics, and that would help make the diverse reality experiments more anchored towards Another reality. Thing to further the paper would be personalizing the method selection. Choosing the right personalization algorithm depending on the application domain. Finding and using the right tool for the right content. Another way to further the thesis is by personalization of risk. And we can do this by expanding the framework to explicitly recommend personalized safety thresholds depending on the use case domain. My final thoughts on this is that personalization is not just for models. It's how we build, it's how we test, and it's also how we govern them. I've also prepared a slideshow that I'm going to go ahead and play now. And it just basically sort of just backs up, everything that I just discussed. And I hope that it is going to be enough to just further some ideas on this thesis. Thank you. The next horizon is not only to personalize the model, but to personalize our measure of its success. A one-size-fits-all benchmark flattens the richness of human life. The developer, the policymaker, the poet, and the everyday user do not ask the same questions of the system, nor should they receive the same answers from an evaluation. Our framework must itself learn to bend, adapt, and listen.